Are you tired of the dark theme on Discord and want to switch things up? In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to enable light mode on Discord for PC with the latest update. Let's dive right in. First, the most crucial step, open your Discord app. If you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your usual channels and chats. Next, look for the gear icon, also known as the user settings. This icon is usually positioned at the bottom left of your screen, right next to your username. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you're in the user settings menu, it's time to find the appearance settings. Scroll down the left-hand side until you spot the appearance tab and click on it. This is where all the magic happens for customizing your Discord experience. Once you're in the appearance settings, you'll see several options to personalize your interface. Look for the section labeled Theme. Here, you have a choice of themes to brighten up your Discord experience. To enable light mode, simply click on the option that says Light. As soon as you select it, your entire Discord interface will switch from dark to light, providing a fresh and vibrant look. And that's it. You've successfully enabled light mode on Discord. Now you can enjoy a brighter chat experience, making it easier on your eyes during those long gaming sessions or late-night conversations. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on Discord and beyond. Thanks for watching.